Good afternoon from NTEA 2016. My name is Tom Seifert with Prime Design, and I'm going to demonstrate for you our high roof inclined rotation rack on a mid-roof Sprinter. This rack features a removable handle that can be adjusted for length depending on the height of the operator. You take the handle, insert it into the receiver, you step back, release the handle as the ladder comes to its deployed position. From here, you release the thumb latch, and you can drop the ladder an additional 22 inches, putting it at an easily removable height. Remove the ladder, let it rest on the ground, and from here you can remove it from the front Z-post and take it to your work site. Returning the ladder to the front hook, you simply reverse the process. It's easily balanced. Place the ladder back in position. When you hear that click, the slide extension has been stowed. Step back. Remove the handle, which is then stowed inside the vehicle, and you're ready to move to your next work site. For more information on ErgoRack from Prime Design, you can visit our website, primedesign.net.